Seasonality adjustments. In this video, we will speak about feature inside Google Ads that very small amount of advertisers actually aware of and use it.
Igor Ivitskiy, Dr. Eds, PhD, the Young Scientist of the Year in Ukraine. Since 2006, he has been applying mathematics to optimize Google Ads. Named Europe's best PPC speaker by AdsWorld Experience, one of the leading Google Ads experts in the world. A professional educator, over 4,000 entrepreneurs have increased their sales after taking his courses. A practicing expert, Igor's clients generate $50 million in profit from Google Ads each month.
Let's say you have the situation when next month you will have a really big sale with a huge price drop, with a huge amount of clicks, and during this sale, during this discounting, you want to increase your campaign budgets. But your experience says you that if you will dramatically increase your budget, let's say in 2 or 3 times, Google will start learning phase again, and at least several days and possible even week, you will have very fluctuate results in your efficiency of your ads. So what if you want to increase your budget for a week, but you don't want to send algorithm back to learning phase? You want to save the stability of your ads. In this case, you can use seasonality adjustments. You can go to the tools, adjustments, and you will find seasonality adjustments. I'm going to show you an example. Let's say you want, during this week, you want to increase your budgets by $100. It was, let's say, $200 per day. You want to increase it to $300 per day, so add additional $100. You choose adjustment type budget. You can give the name to these adjustments, let's say the biggest discount. Then you need to choose the start time and end time. Start time, the day and time when your budgets will increase by amounts that you set up. And end time, when your budgets will return to its normal state. You need to choose the campaigns that will participate in this adjustment and particular adjustments, let's say in the currency of your account. In my case, let's say $100. After I will save it, Google, for the campaigns that I have chosen, starting from this date, will increase the daily budget by $100, and after the end time, Google will revert to the value immediately before the adjustments was active. So Google will return it to the initial state. You can create these adjustments for different events in your business. I'm taking 32 seconds to share something important with you, so you can stop wasting your ad budget. I've managed over $700 million in Google Ads, so all my insights are tested and proven. I regularly talk to senior leaders at Google, and I'm official Google partner. My students, entrepreneurs all over the world, have already optimized their ad campaigns, cut costs, and boosted sales using my methods. These strategies work for any budget, whether it's $500 or $5 million. I invite you to use these proven methods too. Click the link in the description and make your ads more effective. Also, you have another type of adjustment, the conversion rate. How it works? Let's say you plan to decrease your prices by 10%. And you know from the past experience that usually when you decrease the prices so dramatically, users start to buy your products twice more effectively. So previously only 5 users out of 100 bought some products. Now you know that 10 users out of 100 will buy these products. So you can increase the conversion rate that you expect to change, let's say by 100% twice. So previously, for example, it was 5% conversion rate. Now it will be 10% conversion rate for when this sale or when this discount window works. But to be honest, I can't imagine that small or medium business can predict the exact conversion rate changings after some actions. Of course, for companies like Amazon, like Disney, and so on, they have mathematical models based on which they can predict exact conversion rate changes. But for us, for small medium businesses, it's not so obvious that some our actions will change the conversion rate in exact percent. So to be honest, I've never used this particular type of adjustment, but if you will find the application to the conversion rate adjustment in your account, let me know how you use it in the comment sections. It will be really interesting for me. But of course, you can use the budget adjustments for any date-based events in your business in order to preventing Google Ads algorithms going again to the learning phase for your campaigns. Share with me your thoughts about these adjustments and see you in the next videos.